Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics in personal finance: how to save money faster. If you've ever felt like your savings goals are out of reach or wondered why it's so hard to build that emergency fund or save for a big purchase, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm sharing 5 practical tips that will not only help you save money faster, but also make the process less stressful and more rewarding. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Imagine having the money you need for that dream vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, faster than you ever thought possible. The good news? Saving doesn't have to be complicated. These 5 tips are simple, effective, and easy to implement right away. Let's jump in. First up, automate your savings. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to save faster. Here's how it works. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every time you get paid. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a paycheck, it adds up quickly. Why does this work? Because it removes the temptation to spend that money. You won't even miss it because it's out of sight and out of mind. Plus, most banks and apps let you set this up in just a few minutes. Make saving a habit, not an afterthought. Next, let's talk about cutting back. Take a close look at where your money is going. This might mean going through your bank statements or using a budgeting app to track your expenses. Ask yourself, do I really need that $5 coffee every morning? Could I cancel subscriptions I'm not using? Am I overspending on dining out or entertainment? I'm not saying you need to cut out all the fun stuff, but making small changes, like cooking at home or canceling that gym membership you never use, can save you hundreds of dollars a month. Redirect those savings straight into your savings account. The third tip is to set clear, specific savings goals. Vague goals like, I want to save more money, don't work because they lack direction. Instead, decide exactly how much you want to save and by when. For example, I want to save $5,000 for a down payment in 12 months. I need $1,000 for an emergency fund in 6 months. Once you've set your goal, break it down into smaller milestones. Saving $5,000 might sound overwhelming, but saving $417 a month? That feels much more achievable. Keep track of your progress to stay motivated. Tip number 4, take advantage of cashback apps, discounts, and rewards programs. If you're spending money anyway, why not get a little back? Here are some tools to help. Cashback apps. Rakuten, Honey, or Ibotta give you money back for everyday purchases. Discount sites. Groupon or RetailMeNot help you save on everything from dining out to shopping. Rewards programs. Use credit cards responsibly to earn points or miles for future savings. These small savings might seem insignificant at first, but over time, they add up and can accelerate your financial goals. Finally, let's talk about the 30-day rule. This is a powerful way to avoid impulse spending, which is one of the biggest barriers to saving money. Here's how it works. Whenever you're tempted to make a non-essential purchase, write it down and wait 30 days. If you still want it after a month, then consider buying it. Most of the time, you'll find that the initial urge fades, and you can put that money towards something more important. It's a simple strategy that helps you spend intentionally rather than impulsively. Here's a bonus tip. If you've already cut back as much as you can and still want to save faster, consider finding ways to increase your income. This could mean starting a side hustle like freelancing or selling items online, asking for a raise at your current job, picking up part-time work temporarily. Every extra dollar you earn can go straight into your savings, helping you reach your goals even faster. Saving money faster isn't just about cutting back. It's about being intentional with your finances. Automate your savings, cut unnecessary expenses, set specific goals, use cashback apps, and practice the 30-day rule. Remember, every little bit adds up. Small changes today can lead to big financial wins tomorrow. So, whether you're saving for a rainy day, a big purchase, or financial freedom, you've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on saving, budgeting, and building wealth. Let me know in the comments, what's your #1 savings goal? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.